Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the phone and headset so the equalizer actually affects Call of Duty Mobile. Make sure your OS supports system audio effects and use wired or high-quality Bluetooth for consistent results. Once done, install a reputable system-wide equalizer app that hooks into Android's Audio Effects API. This ensures game audio runs through the EQ. You are not changing in-game settings, yet you're setting the audio path so every sound from Codm goes through your equalizer. Next, you open the equalizer and apply a gaming profile tuned for positional clarity. First, enable global or per-app mode and pick Call of Duty Mobile if the app supports it. Otherwise, keep global on. Then, raise the 2 to 4 kHz band to emphasize footsteps and voice cues, reduce frequencies under 100 Hz to remove rumble, and avoid extreme boosts. Finally, use subtle stereo widening and limit overall gain to prevent clipping, so the game audio stays natural and reliable. Finish by testing the EQ in an actual match and refining by ear. You should play a low-stakes game, listen for footsteps and gun direction, then tweak bands in small increments and save a preset. If you don't hear changes, make sure the EQ app has audio effect permission, that Codm isn't using exclusive audio, and that your Bluetooth codec supports effects. Switching to wired headphones often resolves issues. Reinstalling or choosing a different system EQ app can fix persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.